This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ruth Hansen. Unique combination of floor plans. Built by Centex Homes, first floor is the Willow plan and second floor is the Magnolia. Rarely available in this location, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath unit with plenty of eating space and kitchen. Small office area off the great room provides convenience for working from home. Large master suite has key lock door, spacious walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. Washer and dryer are upstairs, convenient to all bedrooms and plenty of storage throughout the unit. Other comforts are a 1-car garage and screen lanai. Parkridge is gate community, centrally located to Sarasota and Bradenton and is a short drive to Lakewood Ranch. Also close is Benderson Park, Mall, world-class beaches, entertainment and restaurants with a vast array of cuisines. Minutes to I-75 for easy commute to Tampa or south to Venice, Fort Myers. For more information, review the details below or contact Ruth Hansen at 941-907-2000.